Good morning, Andy here from GDMFX. We start with the North American markets. We had the monthly budget statement yesterday at $10.16 billion better than expected. The dollar reversed early gains Wednesday to trade lower against the euro and the yen after the Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen delivered testimony about the state of the economy and monetary policy. The Dow is 18 points down, Nasdaq is going sideways, Dixie Index down to 95.68 from 96.56, USD CAD 40 pips up, USD Swiss franc is going sideways, USD JPY 190 pips down, and today we have Fed Yellen testifying again, and tomorrow we have the retail sales and the retail control for the USA. Continue with the EU markets. We had the Italian industrial output year on year 1.1% worse than expected. The Portugal unemployment rate 0.3% higher than previous. Portugal CPI 0.4% higher than previous. DAX 30 down, CAC 40 little change to the red. Euro USD little change to the red, 150 range though. Euro pound 40 pips down, Euro Aussie 60 pips down, Euro yen 220 pips down. Today we are waiting for the Eurogroup meeting. UK markets, yesterday we have had the NISR GDP estimate 0.2% worse than previous. Manufacturing production year on year 0.3% worse than expected. Industrial production year on year 0.6% worse than expected. The FTSE 100 lost 60 points yesterday and it closed at 5,600. GBP USD 60 pips up yesterday. GBP yen 210 pips down. GBP Aussie 28 pips down. GBP CAD 146 pips down. Today we had the RICS housing price balance 3% worse than expected. Asian and Pacific markets. Today is still Chinese New Year and Japanese National Foundation Day. Japanese and Chinese banks closed for the holidays. The Nikkei 225, 570 points down yesterday, 100 plus down today. The pound versus the yen, 200 down, 1,000 pips down since 1st of February. USD yen, 195 pips down. 880 pips down since 1st of February. Today we have the Japanese foreign bond investment, Japanese foreign investment in Japan stocks as well. Move to the Pacific. The New Zealand Business PMI 57.9 up from 56.7. The AUD Consumer Inflation Expectation 3.6%, which is unchanged. The Aussie versus the dollar 40 pips up. Aussie yen 90 pips down. Kiwi USD 40 pips up, Kiwi yen 90 pips down. And today we will have the Glenn Stevens speech from Australia. We move to the commodities next. The S&P 500 index had a range of 40 points down to 1,838 now. Gold had a range of $18 up to 1,208 now. Silver had a range of 22 cents at 15.36 now. Crude oil had $2 range down to $27 at the moment. Natural gas trading at 2.07 at the moment, range of 8 cents yesterday. US commercial crude oil inventories for the week ending on February 5th decreased by 754,000 barrels from the previous week. Still a positive number. And today we will have the natural gas storage change. Thank you for the attention. Have a good day.